Welcome to the Introduction to BIZUIT course. I'm thrilled to have you here and to guide you through everything this powerful platform has to offer. During this course, you'll learn how to model, automate, monitor, and optimize your organization's processes. With BIZUIT, you'll be able to connect systems, improve decision-making, and maximize operational efficiency through advanced analytics. This course is designed for a wide audience, including business analysts looking to model and optimize business processes, process implementers interested in automation and system connectivity, power users who want to customize and enhance their platform experience. It's also ideal for developers extending functionality through custom components, administrators managing the platform's security and operations, and project managers who need to monitor and analyze processes using integrated tools. At the end of this course, you will have acquired skills such as modeling and automating processes using BIZUIT Designer, creating custom interfaces with standalone forms, integrating external systems through APIs and connectors. You will also learn to monitor processes in real time using the BIZUIT dashboard, optimize operations through advanced analytics, manage infrastructure in both cloud and on-premise environments. Each module includes assessments to help consolidate your learning. You can follow the course sequentially or choose the modules that best fit your role and needs. You decide how to move forward. Thank you for joining us on this journey. I'm confident that by the end of this course, you'll be ready to transform your organization's processes with BIZUIT. Let's get started.